We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this city in the state of Louisiana, United States. It is located on the Mississippi River near the Gulf of Mexico and nicknamed the Big Easy. How do you go about pronouncing its name? Oh, you must know that it is named after the French city of Orléans in France. It was originally named the Nouvelle Orléans, meaning the New Orleans. But the pronunciation today has hardly anything to do with the French pronunciation. How do you go about pronouncing it? New Orleans, New Orleans, New Orleans City in Louisiana, United States. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of many major cities all around the US that you must hear and nail the pronunciation of. I'll see you there to learn more.